to show you a savory pongal, which is a Milagu Pongal, that is pepper pongal. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Milagu Pongal, I've taken 1 cup of raw rice. Now the raw rice I'm using is a Ponni variety. To this I'm going to add half cup of Moong Dal. I'm going to wash both together. Pour enough water and soak it for about 30 minutes. While the rice and dal are soaking, I'm going to prep a few ingredients for the recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of peppercorns to a pestle and mortar. Coarsely pound the peppercorns. So you can see I've coarsely pound the peppercorns, and some are actually a whole. So make sure you don't pound it too fine because that can actually change the color of the pongal. Next step is to chop the ginger. So the next step is to pressure cook the rice and dal. For this, take a pressure cooker, add 5 cups of water. Pongal is generally very soft and mushy, hence we add double the quantity of water to get the right consistency for the pongal. Add the soaked rice and the moong dal into the pressure cooker. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Pressure cook on medium flame for about 5 whistles. The pongal is done. Next I'm going to temper a few ingredients. For this, take 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm turning off the stove before adding the crushed pepper because I don't want the ingredients to get burnt. Add all the peppercorns. Add the chopped ginger. Add a few cashew nuts. Add ¼ teaspoon of Asafoetida powder and a few curry leaves. I've added all the ingredients for tempering. Turn on the stove and mix all the ingredients gently. Just take care to see that you don't burn the tempering ingredients. Add the tempered ingredients into the pongal. So I'm just going to mix everything together. So after mixing the tempered ingredients, you can add another 2 tablespoons of ghee. So we've seen this delectable Milagu Pongal that can be enjoyed with some sambar and chutney by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.